In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF on Notion. If you want to bring a bit of movement and personality to your pages, adding a GIF is a quick way to do it. And there are two simple approaches you can use right inside Notion. I'll walk you through both so you can choose the one that fits your workflow. First, let's add a GIF using the built. Click where you want the GIF to appear. Type Famage, and press Enter. This opens the image block options. Look for the Giphy tab. Giphy is a massive library of animated images. And using this tab lets you browse and insert a GIF without leaving Notion. In the search bar, type a keyword or phrase that matches the mood or topic you are going for. When you see one you like, just click it to insert. Notion will drop it right onto your page and the animation should play automatically. If your results feel off, try a more specific search term or a different synonym. This route is great when you want something fast and fun, and you don't already have a link in mind. Now, let's say you've found the perfect GIF elsewhere, and you want to bring it in by link. Start by copying the direct URL of that GIF. Direct is the key word here. The link should end with GIFs. That tells Notion it's an actual GIF file, not a web page that contains a GIF. If you are unsure, check the end of the address before you copy it. Back in Notion, click where you want the GIF, type /image again, and this time choose Embed Link. A small field will appear. Paste the URL you copied. Once you confirm, Notion will fetch the file and display it on your page. If it doesn't load, double-check that the link really ends in GIF and isn't behind any permissions like a private folder or a login screen. Public, direct links work best. Both methods land you in the same place, a clean image block with an animated GIF living right on your page. Use the Giphy tab when you want to discover options quickly, and use the embed link method when you already have a specific GIF and a proper GIF URL. With these two approaches, you can add energy to notes, wikis, or project updates in just a few seconds, keeping your workspace informative and a little more fun. That's all you need to add a GIF in Notion. Thanks for watching.